everyone, so welcome back to another new video. So we've recently got some IKEA products, so let me show it to you real quick. We got these vase for the flowers, so there are two of them, one here and one is over here. Let me also show you the next products that we got. The item is this table, which is from IKEA. So this is basically a bedside table, and then you have two drawers. So one for this bedroom, another one. So this really aligns perfectly with the level of the bed, so that you want to access a little bit of water or your specs, or you want to keep something. So that's really easy and convenient. And I really like the design of this table, as you can see. So this has a really nice wenge matte finish. So it really gives great aesthetics to your house. I assembled these tables by myself, and I didn't hire any carpenter to get these assemblies done. Now, it's really easy. So IKEA provides you with the numbering. So, if you follow the numbers that's given on the instruction, so you can really, assemble these things at your home. And all you need is a screwdriver. So two types of screwdriver heads you need. The one is a tetrahedral, which is 4-edge screwdriver, and then the other one is a flathead screwdriver. And the second thing you need is a hammer. So there are certain wood pieces, wood blocks, you may need to make sure that they're fitted and snug tight. So just to make sure those assembly is done perfectly, you just need a hammer to put pressure and just make sure those joints are perfectly tightened. Also, share the links in the description, so in case you want to buy the vase or the bedside table, so you can always go ahead and check them out on IKEA's website. This is not a sponsored video. So these are the products that I purchased and for my use, and I will just share the links with you in case you want to check out. Also looking forward to just make a review video of this iPhone 15, which I purchased on September of this year 2024, and it has been exactly a little more than 2 months right now that I've been using this phone. So I will just make a review video of this iPhone 15, so that in case you want to upgrade your iPhone, or you want to buy a new one, so it will give you some more information and insight should you be upgrading to the 15 or any other newer iPhones like the 16 as well. So stay tuned for that video as well. So I have this iPad. So this is a 10.3-inch iPad, as you can see. Now there is some problem. Now this iPad is getting the software updates, but the only problem that I'm facing with it right now is that sometimes it feels a little bit laggy, and I think it's kind of like Apple's strategy to make sure your older devices gets a little slower, so that you can buy a new product. So I think it's a part of their strategy. And I normally saw, so this iPad right now, although this is at 100%, if you see, but, when I just restarted this iPad today morning, now I know that before I restarted it, the battery percentage was about 53%. But then when I restarted, the battery percentage showed me kind of 35 or 36%. And then it automatically got corrected to 53%. So I think Apple is purposely doing that. It's just trying to make sure the older devices gets a little bit more slower, inefficient with due course and time, so that their customers can buy the new products. Bedside table over here has this Me speaker, and this is really, I thought I will just keep it at the top, so it's really accessible when I'm sleeping at this side, and then when I wake up and I just have the time in front of me, and it's really convenient. And there is one more thing, because I was previously keeping the speaker on my work desk over here, so the problem over there was the sound was getting a little bit more distorted, because there is no open space or area for the sound to be completely great in terms of the audio quality. So now that we have this over here, I think this is going to be really nice, and I've already tested, and the sound quality is really much better. So let me take you to the balcony now. So what I'm looking forward to is, we really have a long balcony which is from over here and all the way till that end, as you can see. So this is about 22 feet. So I am looking forward to have a certain part of this balcony to be used as the utility area. So if you have your washing machines and things like that, so it can be in one corner, and then we have the other corner where we can really use that space for your work. And if you have a study table, you can keep that over there. But what I'm looking forward to is having this balcony covered. So maybe we have aluminum sliders, and with the nets for air passage and things like that. So always almost from the top to this bottom, and that's something I'm looking forward to. And it's just going to be a renovation, and then we will have some more space for other activities in the balcony, because right now it's kind of messed up, and we just mostly keep things whatever we want. But then again, once we have some kind of a covering or something like that, so after which we can go ahead and use that space in a much effective way. More thing I'm looking forward to is to get a good carpet. So there are a lot of carpets which is available right now in the market. Looking for the one which is kind of a little bit of fluffy, and you have these furs, and it's smooth, and something like that. So that search is also going on, and I have checked some of the carpets offline and online as well, but it hasn't been finalized. So that's something I'm looking forward to as well, because the floors, they really get cold in winters, and it would be much better and comfortable if we can have a carpet on the floor as well. So that's actually something I will be looking forward to get one. See, there is a convention center over there, and then there is a party which is going on right now, and then they have the dhol and all these things which are being played. So it's like a great thing, and they're really celebrating over there. So guys, now we are going down, and I'll just drive the car for some time. So car is really dirty, and I think I need to get this cleaned. I don't know, because it's in the parking when a vehicle moves, so normally all the dust that gets on top of the other vehicles. Let's go and let's open the trunk, and I'll have to take out the duster. It's time now to clean. You can see that how much dust it has accumulated, and I'll go ahead and clean the entire car right now. So look at this, it has just been one day, and you can see the roof. So I've just cleaned the other side, so I'm doing it right now on this side, and you can see the amount of dust it has accumulated. So I think it's because mostly the parking is closed, and the other thing is that my car is dark in color, and I have applied wax after the last time I washed my car. So I think that's one of the reasons it's also attracting a lot of dust, because wax normally it gives a great glossy finish, but then at the same time it attracts a lot of dust and dirt as well. So I'm cleaning this right now, and let me show you over here as well. So it is really dirty. And the good thing about this the duster is that the dust doesn't really flies here and there, and it doesn't enters your nostrils, which causes some kind of allergies. This mostly absorbs the dust inside. So I'm finally back. We've got this momo. So this is a veg momo with some mayonnaise. So let's try this, and let me dip it in some mayo. Okay. Not bad. Dinner, I have pasta. I already had the momo, so now I was not very hungry, so I'll just have a little bit of pasta. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Till then, I will see you on the next one. Bye.